Hi Ones class, it's Miss Diane. Today we are going to create a sailboat craft. Step number 1 of this, your parents are going to help you cut out the shapes. We have a circle for the sun, we have 3 different triangles for the sail and the flag, and then we have a trapezoid shape for the bottom of the sailboat. So that is step number 1, and you help them choose the colors because you are the designer in this. Then step number 2, you're going to need either a chip clip or a clothespin with a cotton ball. As this was my painting technique, I dipped the cotton ball into light blue paint, and then I would just dab it all over the sheet of paper. Do as much or as little as you want and just have fun with that. Step number 3, I use my handy dandy glue stick. You guys love doing this. So you're going to help your mom and dad to glue the shapes onto the background after it dries. So that is our sailboat craft. I miss you guys. Have a great week.